What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So I just got done working 13 hours, and of course my Boxycharms aren't delivered on days that I'm not working. That would just be too convenient. So yeah, I'm gonna do a Boxycharm, a no lashes Boxycharm, because I'm not putting lashes on when I'm just gonna take them off. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my Boxycharm Premium. It is for real this time. The last time I'm gonna get a Boxycharm Premium. I did cancel it again. See, what happened was I canceled it, and then I saw that one of the choice items was the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Even though I have it, I resubscribed for another month. My life doesn't even make sense to me. Alright, so the theme is a game changer. And speaking of, we'll just get right on into it. I think it's a different color than the one I have though, so that's kind of a rationale, right? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which is just an amazing, long-wearing, gorgeous foundation. Unlock the secret to flawless, poreless looking skin with Charlotte's award-winning Airbrush Flawless Foundation. All day, weightless, full coverage with a natural matte finish. And it retails for $44, which is not bad for a foundation. You get the same amount that most foundations give you, 1 ounce, for $44 when, you know, oh, that's definitely not my color. How did I even choose that? No. Wait, it's 7 warm. How did that happen? Well, okay, guess I won't be using this. That's a bummer. How did, no, I must have hit the wrong color or something. All right, next is this Ciate Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara. I have so many mascaras right now. And we have received Ciate Beauty from Boxycharm, mainly their eyeshadow palettes, but I mean, it's okay, you know, I just have so many mascaras right now. Retails for $28. It's a ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. We have the Some Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pad. Gently exfoliate and treat your skin, taking it to a whole new level. Transport, powered by MDT5, features saturated soft cotton pads designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity, and an 8% buffered AHA to gently exfoliate dead cells on the skin surface. I already do have some pads like this, and I have not heard this brand before. It does say it's new to Boxycharm, but it retails for $65. So I will probably be keeping this for a giveaway. Well, I am excited about the next product. This is the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. This primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. And it retails for $32. Okay. It does have a little bit of like a silicone feel to it. I don't know if you can tell, it just kind of gives it like a nice shine. It's not super illuminating, but I am excited to try it because I just love illuminating primers. Alright, next is this Honest Beauty Magic Beauty Balm Stick. A multitasking balm stick that soothes and softens dry skin while also creating a luminous glow. Made with a blend of fruits and botanicals. Works for all skin types. What does it do? Use this convenient balm stick liberally everywhere. Is it a highlighter? Oh, okay. I guess it's a highlighter. For added radiance, give cuticles that freshly manicured look and soften and soothe dry skin. What? I'm super confused. I guess it's just a multi-purpose stick of moisture. It's not super illuminating. It just kind of makes your skin look hydrated. I don't know. It retails for $14.99. I'm not sure if I said that. And last is this Grace and Stella. Everything is better in pink. I definitely do agree with that. Eye mask. Collagen boosting eye mask. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. This retails for $24. How many do you get? 12 pairs in here. Helps with dark circles. Yeah. So I already have a whole bunch of eye masks, so I'm probably going to keep this for a giveaway as well. You know what? I think this box made me happier or more confident in my decision to cancel, because the only reason I ordered it was for a foundation I already have, and now it's not even a color I can use, and I'm not really impressed with much else. I'm excited about the primer. I have so many mascaras. I already have some of these that I like. So many eye masks, and I'm still confused as to what this is. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I canceled. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. I'm gonna have to check my account and make sure this is the color that I ordered. All right, guys, I'll see you next video.